In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur content in Adobe Acrobat. We'll go through a straightforward process that will help you protect any sensitive information or highlight just what's necessary. This is a great technique to use when you want to share a document, but need to ensure certain details remain confidential. To begin, you'll first have to navigate to your homepage within Adobe Acrobat. Once there, you have a couple of options. You can either open a file you've worked on previously or create a new one, depending on your needs. This makes it easy to pick up where you left off or start fresh with a new document. Next, look for the Recent tab on your document screen. Clicking on Recent is going to conveniently show you all the documents you've opened recently, making it effortlessly simple to find exactly the one you're looking for. Once you have your document open, we're going to dive right into editing mode. Look for and click on the Edit menu. You'll want to direct your attention to finding the Redact tool, which is where the magic happens when it comes to blurring. The Redact feature in Adobe Acrobat is designed to help you conceal information in a professional way. Once you've located the Redact files, go ahead and click on the Redact Text and Images option. This option provides the capability to choose specific parts of your document you wish to hide, obscuring them from view. Think of this as a digital marker, perfectly capable of helping you focus on confidentiality. Now it's time to select the content you would like to blur. To do this, simply highlight the text or image you wish to conceal. Drag your cursor over the area that needs to be obscured. It's as easy as highlighting, but more powerful because once you apply these changes, the focus is solely on what you've not hidden. In just a few clicks, you've successfully gone through the process of using the blur effect through the Redact tool. It's a straightforward yet impactful trick to master in Adobe Acrobat, providing you with the ability to manage the visibility of information confidently and ensure privacy at a documented level. I hope this guide has made the process easier for you to achieve, whether you're preparing company documents or sharing personal files. Remember, the opportunity to blur with precision is yours. It's about maintaining the integrity of your document while keeping specific details confidential as per your requirements. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this enhancement to your Acrobat skills serves you well.